Hello. This presentation was built by SPE GCS Data Analytics Group to increase your awareness for a potential career transition and provide a very brief overview of skills necessary to become a data scientist. Here's the agenda, starting with the job market, then the role of the data scientist and their skill set, closing with possible paths for a transition, and a list of resources for those interested in learning more. The current state of the oil and gas job market is no secret. This graph to your left is what we've been through and shows the jobs that many have been trained for that no longer exist. On the other hand, data-driven positions have been following the opposite trend and are booming. The chart on your right shows the top 5 emerging jobs in the period from 2012 to 2017 in the U.S. You'll see oil professionals already have many of the skill sets that the industry needs, and many success stories demonstrate this. Let's talk about the skills that are necessary to successfully make the transition to this career. So what is a data scientist? Here are 2 definitions of a data scientist provided by Google. The exciting part of these definitions is they include traditional disciplines such as petroleum engineering, geophysics, and others that analyze and interpret very complex digital data and are of vital importance for the energy business. So, is a geophysicist a data scientist? Well, not quite, but it's not that far either, and a transition is possible. Here are the 4 high-level skills of a data scientist. First, a firm hold of applied mathematical concepts, the capacity to write code, and extensive knowledge of libraries that make this task easier. The ability to mine massive amounts of data, process it, and consolidate it into databases. And last but not least, domain knowledge that allows the data science to evaluate the reliability of the results obtained in realistic conditions. An additional characteristic of data scientists is their curiosity and their will to explore new problems, pushing the frontier of what can be done. This hacking ability leads to out-of-the-box solutions and prepares a data scientist for new challenges. Here's a quick run-through of these. First, mathematics, which is typically a part of most technical degrees. When it comes to programming, you should note that Python and R are free and open source, which results in an almost infinite source of support material and forums with experts willing to help, as millions of people use these languages and their libraries. While being proficient in any programming language is already a step in the right direction, you should know that Python and R dominate the data science scene and are overwhelmingly preferred over any other alternative. Data mining, which involves gathering data from conventional and also from creative sources. These vary from website mentions to drilling reports in public databases. Once the data has been collected, it must be cleaned, processed, and organized to make it available for analysis. And finally, domain knowledge, which, when it comes to working in the oil field, you'll certainly have some of this ready to use. In fact, many oil professionals already have 2, often 3 of these skills, which can help facilitate career reorientation. So you probably have noted a few skills that you already have, and maybe others that you don't, at least not yet. The question is, how do you acquire them? Well, there are fundamentally 3 ways: self-study, boot camps, and going back to college. Each one of them demands a different type of investment and offers different kinds of certifications. First, self-learning is completely dependent on the student, and it can be perfectly tailored to your learning needs and rhythm, and quite cost-effective. There are lots of materials available, from classical formats such as books to complete classes online. Then there's the classic way, Going back to school, if you're looking for a certified program from a recognized higher education institution and also have the time and money available for it. Boot camps are kind of a compromise between self-learning and attending college for those that want to take an immersive and intensive path towards a new career in data science. They're also a midpoint in terms of money and time dedication, as they usually last for a few months and cost about an order of magnitude less than a master's degree program. Listed are a few opportunities for boot camps. Finally, here are a few other resources that you may want to explore. My recommendation is to get out there and talk to people. SPE is having a hiring event, and there will be people there who can talk to you about a wide range of career opportunities. In addition to these linked resources, you should also attend events put on by the SPE Data Analytics Group, a valuable resource if you're interested in transitioning to data science. It just might turn out that data science is a good career choice for you. Have a great day.